Hi shoppers, welcome to Shop with Morgan. Today I have a Dollar Tree birthday party decorate with me. Everything in the video is from Dollar Tree. Today was my dad's birthday, so I went to the hardware section and I made that the theme for his birthday. They have a bunch of cool little things that you can use to make decorations and a little gift basket. So in this video, I'll show you the centerpiece, I'll show you the gift that I got him, I'll show you a little ice cream bar station. So keep watching and enjoy. Here's everything I got for the gift basket. Some duct tape, a chamois towel, some sandpaper, felt pads, paint sponges from the Crafter Square section, zip ties, a tarp, some rope, and a drop cloth, and a toolbox to put everything in. So I got this filler paper. It comes with 4 sheets. I just folded each piece in half and put the blue side up, and I put it in the basket, and then you'll see me just messing around with all the stuff I got, figuring out how I like it. Once I got everything in the basket the way I wanted it, I just pulled the paper out a little bit and I folded the front of it so you could see the blue. Now we're going to move on to make the centerpieces with that same filler paper, bows, paint cups, and balloon weights. I start with cutting the filler paper in half. I take the pieces and I put it into the cups. I take the balloon weight, put it inside, and fluff out the wire that hold all the stars so it looks fuller. Then I take the ribbon, I kind of part it into 2, and then I tuck it into the cup. You can hot glue it if you want, but I was happy just tucking it inside. And then I fluff it up a little bit. Now I'll do the same thing with the other cup. Now to make the ice cream bar sign, I have these poster stickers, letter stickers, a canvas sign with an ice cream cone on it, and a display easel. Now I'm just putting my letter stickers on the poster stickers that I like the best. Make sure when you're getting your stickers you get all the letters you need, because I had to make an R using some other letters, but I think it came out okay. Now I'm just going to cut the extra part off that sticker, and I'm going to stick it on the canvas over the word sweet. Now this watermelon sticker had some ice cream on the top of it, so I just cut the part with the ice cream right off. Now I'm going to put the word bar over the word baby. I'm going to cut it down, and I put the ice cream that I cut out right over the bottom of that Y to cover it up. Once I had all the stickers on and I could see the letters through the sign because the light was shining, I decided that I did not like that. So I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to take extra poster paper and cut it and put it behind the words that I already put down. Then I found a speech bubble sticker that said, "Oh yeah," but I didn't like the way that the speech bubble was. I didn't want the triangle to be from the left, I wanted it to be from the right, so I just cut it off and I stuck it on the other side. And now the sign is done. You can kind of see the letters through it, but that's only because there's a really bright light behind it. I used the same stickers to spruce up my dad's card. Then for the table we have plates, napkins, mesh, and some black tablecloths.
Alright, well that's it guys. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe for more Dollar Tree inspired videos. If you are obsessed with Dollar Tree just like me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at shopwith_Morgan for daily Dollar Tree finds. Leave a comment below if you want to, and let me know what your favorite party hack is from Dollar Tree. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!